Welcome back once again. Still on number basis and indices. This is another question on indices. Now, each topic will be taking two questions. Now, this is the second question on number basis and indices. How do we simplify 27 in bracket raised to the power of 2 over 3? Let's the solution. Now we have what? 27 raised to the power of 2 over 3. To me, I'm going to split the power. How am I going to split the power? I have 27 raised to the power of this 2 times 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 is telling me that the cube root of what? 27. Is that right? Cube root of 27 raised to the power of 2. And this will have what? The cube root of 27 we know is what? Is 3 raised to the power of this 2. And our answer, 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which is what? 9. The answer is what? A. 5.